In this video I'm gonna show you how to open and close the download mode on POCO F7 Pro. So first of all we need to turn off our phone, so I'm gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the call menu, and we're gonna swipe up in order to power off our device. Once the phone is completely off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button, but once you see the POCO logo you want to release the power button and hold only the volume up button. So this is what we're gonna do. So press and hold power button and volume up, and then just hold volume up until we are in the recovery mode, because we can access the download mode from the recovery mode. There we go. Once you see this, you can release the volume up button. We navigate in this menu by using volume up and volume down. So you want to choose connect with MI Assistant and confirm your choice with the power button, and then we have the instruction to connect our phone with the USB cable to a computer, and after that you should be able to use the download mode. Now in order to exit the download mode we need to simply press and hold the power button for just long enough until the screen is completely off. So just keep holding. There we go. After a couple of seconds the screen should turn off and the device should restart and go back to the normal mode, I believe. So let's see if we can actually boot into the normal mode. Now we are in the recovery menu, so we need to simply choose reboot over here. So press the power button again and choose reboot the system, and now we will just simply go back to the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.